Congressman Ambrosio Boy Cruz Jr., Mayor Attorney Agatha Ade Cruz, Vice Mayor Tato Estrella. Thank you for your utmost support. To our estate chairman Sheila Camus, Sangguniang Barangay at mga kawani's who has been helping me since the start of the pageant. Thanks for believing in me and choosing me as your candidate. To all the staff of our Barangay Santa Cruz for helping me from my costume, props, and presentation, you've been a great help. Salamat po. To Kuya Regan Villanueva, who encouraged me to join Kari in the Halaman. It's really an honor. Thank you, sir. To my makeup artist and to the people who provided my casual and formal wear, you made it worth it for me to win that night. And lastly, to my mindset managers from Miliani and Direk Alvin Fortuno, thank you for the training.